Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna do some example solves on 4x4, and I'm currently placed maybe 130 in the world, and I think I wish I could bring some helpful skills to you guys, and this example solves will be filling with maybe 3 episodes or 2, I don't know. So let's move on to the first scramble. Okay, so now the scramble is done, and within the inspection, I think I will choose to do these two bars first and solving these two for my second step. So the first step I will do is maybe like this, to solve the two bars at the same time, and put in my under face and do these two pieces, solve it in one bar and maybe at top. Okay, so the second bar will be solved easily like this, and pairing up, insert. Okay, so my first yaw edge, I think I saw these two when I'm solving these two centers. So I will do my first edge like this, and then rotate down to solve my second with this and this, which is solved like this, and put it in under face, so I would be able to look my next yaw edge more easily. So I saw these two, and which can be solved like this, pairing up. Okay, so the yaw edge is done, and I think I will choose to do green center. What my solution is, bring this layer up, and do a U, and bring this layer up to solve it in the back. And I saw the red for this opposition. I think I see the most red edges when I'm solving the green, so I will choose to do the red for my second center. So I think I will do something like this to solve it, a line. And I know for this part the other piece is over here, so I do it fat R2 and B2 R2 prime, and to solve it, so solve the bar and insert. Also we're left two centers, which is easily solved like this. Okay, but while I'm doing that, I saw these two at the same time, so I will keep tracking these two pieces and go over here, so it will be easy for me to solve the yaw edge in my Y center is on left side, and rotate. For my edge pairing, I think my edge pairing was quite different from other people. Other people will maybe do a U prime for their setup move, but I use U for my setup move. So while I'm left with this option, I will do a U prime to finish my setup move. And my first edge is this one, the red and green, and I saw it was over here, so I insert it like this. And my second is over here. Insert it like this. This one, insert this. Okay, so now we solve the 3 edges. And I think I would choose to do the yellow and orange piece first. So I do a hedge and do a value prime, u, and use this for my next edge. So I use u to r prime to put it over here and undo the setup moves. Okay, so now left the 3 edges. It was the same idea of cycles like this. Okay, so now we only left 3x3 stage. I will do this for my first pair. And my second pair will be like this. And the third pair. And fourth pair. Okay, no oil purity, no pure purity. Quite lucky. Okay, so here is the second scramble. Okay. Okay, so for this case, I think I would do the yellow first because it was relatively easy for me to solve it. So I put my bar on the left side and do the theta prime, F theta prime, and it will also solve these two to 1 bar. So insert it, and I saw nothing on my current position, so I will rotate here and sort it, insert. Okay, so the first yellow edge I think was these two, which can be solved like this. And the second was these two. I'll put it in the back like this here. And my second edge will be here, like this. Okay, so I saw these 3, which is a very big bar right here. So I will choose to do the red first. It's okay. So this piece is going to be over here. So I'll do something like this. And I saw the green bar over here, so I quickly straight into insert it. And while I'm inserting, I saw this green piece is down over here, so I insert and insert this also. So solve my green center. Okay, so the last 2 center will be solved like this. Okay, so my last yellow edge, it was quite difficult. I will solve like this, bring this up and do the value, insert it, right prime, D, and as I told, my first setup move was U, so I could do D prime and U at the same time, like this. Okay, so my first yellow edge, my first edge pairing will be here and here. So I think I will rotate and insert like this, and my second edge here. So while I'm doing this, I could straight into this one and try to find my third edge, and it was lucky. I don't need to insert anything, and it was over here, so I just undo my setup move and left with 5 edge, and I will choose this for my first cycle edge. So I insert it like this, pairing up, and this rotate, insert it, and solving the last 3 edge as well. Okay, so the edge pairing is down. Let's move on to 3 boundary stage, and my first pair will be here. So I'll do something like this, and while doing that, I notice that this piece will goes over here. So sorry, here. So I can do my second F2L pair like this, and the third pair I think it goes like this, and 4th pair. Okay, so for this oil it has parity, and I can one look my OLO, so I know my next step is solve the oil parity, and it will left with this case. So like this. Okay, so left pillar no parity, and it's done.